Welcome to Swhizz Technologies. In this video, today we are going to see about Git stages. Okay, many people will be having little confusion in Git stages. Let me clear those confusion here. So here I have configured the entire Git in this server. I have installed Git and I have configured everything. Okay, so if you want to see the Git stages, so I have initialized Git also. So here just do ls. As of now, I don't have any file here. So what I'll do is, let me create one file here. You can take any file. So as we know that the first stage is this one. Okay, so it is a workspace. We can call this is as workspace. Okay, and here this is a second stage. This is we can call it as indexing area or staging area. Anything we can call it as. And the next one is local repo. Okay, these three are different stages in Git here. Okay, so in workspace is the place where we can create any files. Okay, let me create one file here. Okay, the file name, let me keep it as my file. Okay, so let me create one file and let me keep some content here. Okay, so here do ls. I don't have anything else here. So in this, let me create one file, my file. I'll keep some content in this file. Okay, hello. Welcome to Swhizz. Welcome to Swhizz Technologies. Okay, I kept some content. See, basically, real time, what we are going to do, we will be writing some application code. Okay, some YAML scripting we are going to write here. So here, okay, fine. So developers will be writing their code here in place of this. So we are not writing code here. We are just keeping some content. Okay, let me save this file. So do ls, yes, file has been created. See content here, what is there in this file? Yes, you can see the content. This is the content I have kept. Means developers will be writing the code from morning to evening. Just assume this purple color line is a content. Now what I want to send this file first from workspace to staging area along with this code. Directly, you cannot send this file from workspace to local repository. You need to follow these stages here. That is Git inbuilt nature. Okay, so I want to send this file from workspace to staging area along with this code. The process of sending this file along with code is called add. Okay, let me add this file. But that command is git add space dot. Dot refers to current directory. Just press enter. See, it's been added. How to verify? You just run git status here. See, it is telling that changes to be committed. Means one file is there that is in staging area, but you have to commit this one. Okay, commit means sending the file from staging area or indexing area to local repository. This process, we will call it as commit. Okay, if you commit, one commit ID will be generated, which is 40 long alphanumeric characters ID. Let me commit this one. Means if you commit, what will be happen? The file will be coming from staging area to local repo along with this code. This process we will call it as commit. Okay, so let me commit this one. If you want to commit, command is git commit -m. M means message. You can specify any meaningful message. Okay, this is my first commit. Okay, that's just press enter. See, I have committed this one. See, it is telling that one insertion, one file changed. That means here, okay, you can verify the git status. Your file will be moving from indexing area to local repository. If you do commit, your file will be moving from indexing area to local repository along with this code. And of course, one commit ID will be generated here. Suppose if you want to check the status here, yes, you can check git status. You can run git status here. See, it is telling that nothing to commit. Your working tree is clean. Before committing, if I execute git status command, it is telling that changes to be committed. That means your file is there in indexing area or staging area. If you commit, it is telling that working tree is clean, nothing to commit. Okay, suppose I said that one commit ID will be generated. So if you want to see this commit ID, yes, we can see. For that command is git log. Using this command, you can see all the commits. These commits belongs to previous thing. So here, this is the latest commit. This is my first commit. Okay, so if you want to see the content, what is there in this commit? Yes, you can see. So here, for that, how we have to see git log, git show. You can specify the commit ID. If you want to see the content, what is there in this commit? Yes, you can specify commit ID. See, this is the content. The plus symbol will be representing the present file which we have added. Present content which we have added. And of course, these belongs to my some other previous commits. Okay, just focus on these things and this. Okay, this is the commit which we have done. Now here, this is the way developers will be doing any number of modifications. And finally, after this, they are going to push these changes from local repository to central repository. Okay, if you want to know further about these concept, you just contact with Swhizz Technologies, either online or offline, and do subscribe this channel for getting more interesting videos like this. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.